Hello everyone, this is ICOOH Booker. Today I will bring two sets of brake key for you. The one on the left is our ICOOH latest series IC5 caliper with 355 aero brake discs. The one on the right is the GT6 caliper from the interior brand. And do you know what is the difference between them? IC5 adopts an ultra thin design and spring forge. It is relatively light, weighing only 2.8 kg, and has three options for piston areas: 61.18, 55.6, and 47.3. And the more importantly, it can perfectly avoid 80% of OEM wheels without any expenses. And the GT6 caliper uses one-piece casting. Their piston area is 55.6. The brake disc size that IC5 caliper can match is 330 to 362, and is used for 17 to 18 wheels, and the friction area is D56. And the GT6 caliper can be used brake disc size is 355 to 405, and used for 18 to 20 inch wheels, and friction area is D62. The IC5 caliper brake pad has a friction area is D58. It is our standard C100 series and suitable for street use, quiet and comfortable. The GT6 caliper brake pads have friction area is D58. If you want to know more information, please follow us on Facebook and Inch. See you next time.